Y'all, I am so excited to open up these boxes. You do not know.
I'm looking for somebody I can call. Looking for the only one I can get my own. Tell me that it's true.
My name is Keisha, aka Keisha the Stylist. If you love thrifted, secondhand, and vintage fashion taken to another level, then you're in the right place, guaranteed. So today is a really fun video. I have two packages that I want to open with you guys. One is a mystery box, and I'm so excited about that. The second one is a few items that I bought for myself from a small business. Her name is Thrifting With Diva. She's on Instagram, TikTok, and she's on YouTube as well. I'll leave all her information in the description below. Her items, I already know what I got. I already know because I picked them out myself, of course. For the mystery box, I don't know exactly everything that's in here, but I do know there's a Christian Dior vintage item. Before we get into that, if this is your first time seeing this space, yes, this space, I do fashion, thrifting, vintage, estate sales, thrift hauls. I am an entrepreneur. I will take you through the day-to-day of me doing my duties as an entrepreneur, the good, the bad, the ugly, and everything in between. I also am a stylist, so I do styling inspired by videos, all of that. If that sounds like something you're interested in, definitely hit that subscribe button. Hit it. If you are returning, I don't even have to say it, but I'm gonna say it anyway. Thank you so much for your likes, your comments, your shares, your subscriptions, all of that type of stuff. You guys do not know how much it means. Especially you guys who constantly comment, constantly like, constantly just show up on other platforms and just say encouraging words. And the people that have supported my business, like you guys, you keep me going more than words can say. I feel like this week has been a turning point in my journey as an entrepreneur, and I'll talk a little bit more about this in my next Sunday's video. But it's been a year, and I feel like this week has been, yeah, it's been a different feel. So I'm liking this feel of where I'm going into year two. Thank you for all you guys who have supported and who constantly support on other platforms. I cannot give you enough thank yous because it keeps me going, and wow, I'm mind blown at. Speaking of my year anniversary, I will be doing a video talking you through my whole year, ups, downs, everything that I've learned from being an entrepreneur, some of the things that I would do differently, some of the things that went well. Let you guys in on how I became a full-time entrepreneur, because it definitely wasn't planned, believe me. Stay tuned for that video. I also have a surprise for you guys in that video. Next Sunday, the 23rd, I will be on Be Okay Media's channel. She will be interviewing me, so that's going to be really fun, and we will probably go more in depth on her channel. She will be asking me questions. I don't know what the questions are, so who knows where the conversation will go. If you want to learn a little bit more about me and my journey that I may not have covered in my video, definitely check out. Stay tuned for that live on the 23rd. Is going to be packed. It's going to be crazy. We are at 428. 428, I know that's not a huge jump from the last video, but I am thankful for every subscriber that hits that button. I don't care how big or how small, I don't care. You guys know we are trying to hit that 500 subscribers. I want to do it before June ends. That would be an amazing anniversary present to be able to hit that goal by July 1st. Please, you guys, help me with that goal. I would really appreciate that. And at the 500 subscriber mark, I am giving away a style box. And if you didn't know, a style box is a personally curated outfit. It could be casual, date night, work, and also special occasion. Special occasion could be a wedding, formal type occasion, or it could be just like a 70s party, you know what I'm saying, that you want to actually have 70s vintage, not the party store, you know, 70s, if you get what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying? That ranky stuff. Once I get closer to that mark, then I will let you guys know how to enter and what to do, and we will go from there. With all that said, let's get into these boxes. I'm so excited. So this is the first box from Thrifting with Diva. It is pretty small, but there's some goodies in here, and I'm going to show you. Hold on 1 minute. I got to open the box. So the fact that she put it in a protected bag is kudos to me, because I definitely like to have my stuff protected in some type of way, and I try to do that for others. Also, I went on a whole rant in my last video about supporting small businesses and supporting other resellers or vintage sellers. That is very important to me. Very important, because I know as a vintage seller, as an entrepreneur, how hard it is, and we need all the support that we can get. And I think like I mentioned in the video before that there is some secret competition. I don't know if it's just me feeling that way, but I don't understand it, because I think we should be uplifting each other. And maybe, like I said, maybe it's just me. Maybe I feel that way. Because honestly, I haven't got a lot of support from this sector. I don't really get a lot of support, and I don't know why, but it, like I said, it could be me. It could be just me. Maybe you don't like the items that I put out there, and everybody has different taste ranges, different whatever. So I don't know. I try to support people, even if I don't necessarily like everything. There's something that I gravitate towards. So I try to support when I can, and I hope that other people do the same. It doesn't have to be with me, but just try to support who you gravitate towards. Definitely try to support them in whatever way you can, because it is hard to do this thing and to keep going and to keep doing it day after day after day when you don't have sales, when you don't have a lot of growth on your platforms, when you don't have all of this other stuff. It is so hard, and the comments that you guys leave, and the support from other people, the purchases that people make, keeps us going, because it is, like I said, it's super hard being an entrepreneur. It's super hard trying to rely on other people to buy your product or services. It's so iffy. And if you are weak, do not do this. If you are someone that needs stability, don't do it. But if you are someone who wants to follow your dreams and will understand that there's ups and flows in this journey, definitely go. So let's get into this bag. Oh, I didn't even I don't know if this, I thought this was let me see if this is the right one. This isn't the right one. This isn't the right one. My girl, I'll reach out to you, but this isn't the suit that this isn't the set that I thought it was. I'll reach out to you about that. No harm, no foul, because my description was short set floral, so she probably thought it was that. This, I'm super excited about this. This is like a gold blazer with floral details, has the shoulder pads. This is really cute. This is really cute. I'm so excited about it. Now, this is another thing. When I saw this on her, I was like, wow, wow. First, look at the shoulders. Look at the shoulders. This is a sexy vintage dress. The shoulders say it for themselves. Like, look at that. Look at that. And then it's just a slinky, kind of, I want to say midi. It's probably going to be midi on me, but I love, love, love this. I can't wait to try this on. But with that said, like I said in my last video, definitely leave in the comments what you want me to style. You guys determine what you want to see me style up. So if you want me to style up this dress or the blazer, I'm going to contact her about the shorts. If you want me to style it up, leave a comment, let me know. This is the mystery box. I'm so excited to dig into this. This is going to be amazing. My voice just went super high and it's already high. First item is this jacket, this yellow jacket. It's like a members only type jacket, but it's not that brand. It is an extra small, but it looks like a guy's jacket, so it probably would be a small for, you know, us ladies. Unisex. So you guys out there, check out my site. Oh, this is the Christian Dior. This is the Christian Dior. So it is this plaid blouse. I love the sleeves. Look at those balloon sleeves. And then it has the ruffles and a high neck. Oh, this is super cute. Wow. So yeah, Christian Dior. So this is super cute. Whoa. Love this. And it is like a very lightweight material, so I could sell it in the spring, summer. So this is just a jacket, blue with red sleeves, and it has this logo right here, or this brand right here. Nothing special to write home about. And there's this blazer, just a navy blazer. Angus, that's it. That is the name. A grayish, faded color. Yeah, this is not special at all. It's not. It's very modern, and yeah, that's not my cup of tea at all. Yeah. No. Ooh, this is cute. This little vest. I love the color. This is really cute. Love that vest. Ooh, 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 ooh. This is a very cute vintage dress. Look at this. I love this pattern. And then it's, you know, has a waist detail, double-breasted detail right there. And it's pretty long. It has pockets. This is really cute. Size 4. I wonder, can I get into this first? I might be able to. I might be able to fit this, but this is not for me. This is for the store. But if you guys want me to style it, let me know. Hopefully I can fit it. I don't know. Another vintage dress. I love this pattern. Look at that pattern. Really cute. It is pretty long, and it has a matching belt. That is a plus. You guys already know. This is just a vintage blouse. I like the color. Very cute. Very cute. Oh, another vintage dress. This one, I love the floral print. That floral print is pretty cute. I like the sheerness of it. It is pretty sheer, if you can see. You probably can't see, but it is sheer. And it's pretty long. This print. Really love it. And it has a matching belt, which is a plus. I keep saying that, but it is so hard to find a dress with a matching belt. Super hard. So this is like a 90s little stretch shirt. One button, so it's one of those one button shirts. Buttons right here, but everything else is open. Really cute. The girlies that love the 90s would love this. Wait. Oh, this is really cute. This is a jacket. This is a jacket. I love the pattern on it. This is perfect for spring and summer if you want to throw in a lightweight jacket. Yeah, this is nice. I'm loving this box so far. There's been like one iffy item that I'm like, nah, that ain't gonna work for me at all. Okay, so this is a jacket. Cute. Liz Sport, we love her. It is a little faded, so I might have to do something about that. I may have to re-dye it or something like that. And then it has pants to go with it. So yeah, that is a cute set. What size is this? Size 2 petite. Woo! Y'all, if y'all want me to style this, y'all, I don't know. I don't know if I can fit this. I don't know if I can fit this, but if y'all say style it, I might have to try to do something. I don't know. Okay. So this is like a 90s dress. Like it has this knit stretch on top, and then it has this abstract print on the bottom. I like that. I really do. I really like that. I think this is the last thing. Yes. But, woo, look at this. It is one of those 80s party dresses. I love this print, and then it has this huge bow in the back. Like, wow. This is really cute. This is really cute. So that is the 2 boxes. Like I said before, let me know in the comments what items you want me to style up in my next video. So Wednesday's video will be the styling video of the items you say you want me to style up in this video, as well as the items that you told me you wanted me to style in my thrift haul from Wednesday. So definitely look out for that. So we already talked about next Sunday, the video on my 1-year anniversary. There's a surprise in that video. I would say I'm definitely happy with the items that I chose from Thrifting with Diva. I just have to contact her about that one set, and then I'm super happy about the mystery box that I purchased. Let you guys know these are items from an estate sale. If you want me to go more in detail on how I shop estate sales online, definitely hit me up in the comments and let me know. I can probably do a video on estate sales and how I shop online and in person. So if you want to see something like that, hit me up. That's it for this video. Please remember to like, comment, share. Please share. We're trying to get to that 500 subscribers. And also, please subscribe if you haven't already. Highly appreciate it. I will see you guys next time. Have a great night. Have a great day. Have a great week. Have a great weekend. Have a great weekday. And I will holler at you guys later.